Hi everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you the locations of all the filters to do a full service on a Renault Captur. So here we have the Renault Captur 2014 plate. First thing we're going to show is the air filter. The air filter housing is here. You just undo the two clips there. It comes out like that. The oil filter location is a little bit more tricky. It is just underneath these two pipes here. It's sat there. So to get to that, you remove this pipe here, just pull that out, and then it comes out. I use a screwdriver into that bit there, pull it out. That's where that location is. Fuel filter location. Fuel filter is located here in the driver's side wheel well, and all you have to do is there's 1, 2, 3 covers there. That comes off is a separate piece over there rather than the whole thing, and it's there. You've got a couple of clips on the top, and I do believe it's self-priming, so just turn it on and off a couple of times. Last but not least, we have the pollen filter. Now the pollen filter location is up here. Got the cover here, this comes off, and then inside there we have the pollen filter. So there we have all the filter locations you're going to need to do the service on your Renault Captur. If you felt this video was helpful in any way, then leave a comment or a like, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.